What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all, and we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and my expectation that it will surpass Dogecoin. And remember guys, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And also, 100% transparency, I am invested in both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but I am more bullish on the token SHIB and its entire ecosystem. Now, before I continue on to the video, I do want to mention the link in the description below for Webull. So, if you want to get your two free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account, you will get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. And if you want to support your boy, just invest or deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account, and that way I'll also get a free stock too. So if you don't have $5, maybe you have 1 penny to at least deposit in to help your boy. So thank you guys so much for already smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The overall cryptocurrency market is looking phenomenal. Ethereum is crushing it after the updates and the upgrades today, heading, decreasing gas fees. A lot of good news around the cryptocurrency market. And of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way, and everything else is following in suit overall, except Dogecoin. You see it's in the red, and also Shiba Inu, also similar trend as Doge. So again, although Shiba Inu is leaving that meme token, meme currency type title, it's still following in line in terms of price action to Dogecoin's overall price. So not really following Bitcoin. But now let's go ahead and talk about why I'm so much more bullish on SHIB than Doge. Now, first and foremost, I gotta say, for the ones who are watching maybe from the Dogecoin community, you'll probably know there are some use-based cases for this token. And that's why I'm invested in it. Outside of the fact that they have all the hype around it, and Elon always being Elon, which is just fantastic, seeing how much he can affect the price action day to day. There are some use cases, of course, right? So understanding that there's a tipping system, for example, with social media users where they tip others, providing whenever they talk about noteworthy content. And of course, it's also a DeFi platform, a coin within the decentralized finance area. So again, make sure you guys do understand that it does have some use cases, and it could very well be adopted as a form of currency in different spaces or even countries. So we know Elon accepted Doge for the Doge mission, for SpaceX's Doge mission. So that could be one person, but then we can maybe see 2, 4, 10, 100, 1,000, hundreds of thousands of people who will start accepting this as a form of currency. Now the same thing for Shiba Inu, right? We have to understand that it also has its use cases, and the fact is I think it has more utility than Doge. So ShibaSwap, it launched and some big things happened with the swap. You guys know I love utilizing it for a passive means of income, and I've seen some fantastic gains utilizing the swap. If you guys want to see just quickly on my portfolio here directly from the swap, you guys can see I made $929 in the span of a few weeks on 100% passive income from my initial investment using Bone and Ethereum's combo into the liquidity pools. So again, utilizing that to invest in liquidity pools, and I'm also staking, so bearing some of my SHIB tokens. And you guys can see here, I've made a decent amount of Bone there, about 6.3 Bone, not too much, and I'm also bearing some Bone token. And that's the thing you need to understand, that this specific platform, being SHIB, it comes as a part of an ecosystem. It's not a single token. It comes with leash and Bone. So there's governance, there's so much excitement, and the community is growing each and every day, which really excites me. Also, they're looking to create their own blockchain. So Shibarium, aka L2, will become Shiba Inu's own blockchain. So again, all these things come together to make you realize that they're trying to branch out and honestly develop a huge ecosystem compared to Dogecoin, where it's going to be a single token. Again, the excitement can kind of start to die down, as you guys can see. When hype dies down as well, price action tends to run stagnant. And I'll talk about, there's caveats to everything I'm saying, of course, so I'll mention those as well. SHI is going to be pegged to the penny, so it's going to be a stable token within this ecosystem. So there's a lot of things coming about for Shiba Inu and this cryptocurrency specifically, which keeps me excited each and every day. Though the price action for both, let's be honest, the price action for both has not really looked the best. That's me being 100% transparent with you guys. So for Dogecoin, it ran up to its all-time highs all the way through to nearly, if we go to the 1-year chart here, you guys can see it ran up all the way to 75 cents it was, and then it slowly but surely sold off as the overall market had a correction, but it's not picking back up. Same thing, if we click back here and go to SHIB, Shiba Inu, currently ranked 47th, you could see a very, very similar price action as Dogecoin. Peaked at 3,600 Satoshi units and came tumbling down and currently sitting at around 610, 620 Satoshi units. So now the question is, will these two tokens ever recover, and will one surpass the other, right? Because they were in direct competition at the very beginning, but now they're no longer competing. Each community has its own independence, which I think is, fantastic. But for SHIB, its use case is so much more than Doge when it comes to actual utility. As a form of currency, they both have potential there. Absolutely, 100%. Agree with anyone who might, argue that point. But if we look at Dogecoin, they already, current day, have 4.238 million holders. 4,238,702 individuals holding. And we know if no token burn is occurring, then at the very least, we need to see an increase in holders. And you guys can see, overall on the 3-month chart, Doge has, had its ups, a little bit of corrections in terms of holders, people selling off maybe, and, ups and downs. But for Shiba Inu, we've been seeing literally just steady incline in holders over the last 3 months. Yes, things have been running maybe a little bit stagnant, but still, each and every single day, we're seeing more and more and more individuals getting into SHIB. So it's a continued trajectory. So over time, as soon as the market picks back up or catalysts come about, we're expecting to see more price action that's going to be affected by SHIB than it would by Dogecoin. And also look at market cap. At $26 billion and being an inflationary token, that means that more and more tokens come into supply. Its price action is harder to keep up. For SHIB, it is not. It is something that is currently, it's had its burn from VB, yes, and currently there are no active community burns coming about, but its potential in the future, there is a possibility of a community burn, but regardless, we're at a fraction of Dogecoin's price, right, in terms of market cap, because I'm not going to look at overall price, but market cap. So Dogecoin sitting at 26 billion and SHIB sitting at 2.4 billion. So for math's sake, we have a 1,000% difference. If Shiba Inu gets to Dogecoin's current price in terms of market cap, we have a 10x potential. Now, do I foresee that happening maybe by the end of 2021, 2022? Maybe not that soon, but do I think it's possible in the long run? 110%, because of its use case, because of the fact the community is growing so rapidly. The price action sure hasn't been reflective of the success of this token, but guys, I kid you not, I am 110% so bullish on this crypto, and I really think that it's going to have some fantastic performance and fantastic days yet ahead. We have Coinbase to yet be listed on. We have Robinhood to yet be listed on. We have, a community that we're yet to see its full potential of, right? We're still growing 600,000 compared to Dogecoin that has 4.2 million holders, I believe, 4.238 million, which is also phenomenal. I still think that SHIB's potential relative to Dogecoin in terms of the short and long-term potential, that SHIB has more room for growth than Doge, but both can succeed over time. And that's why I'm diversified and invested into both of the cryptocurrencies independently. Now, moving forward, you can always decide what you want to do. But remember, guys, the market is a market and it goes through cycles. We need to make sure we all understand that. So if we look at the overview, you guys can see we see spikes in price action, and then we see sell-offs. Sometimes consolidation lasts longer than we anticipate. And lately, for the last 3 months, we've been consolidating. But know this, consolidation should actually excite some investors, because now we know where a level of support is. So for all of us who didn't have buying power maybe a month ago, you can buy into this cryptocurrency at the exact same price that it was a month ago. So for me, it's like, wow, this is an opportunity that I don't want to pass out. And I know the potential is still there, because I'm as bullish as I was about SHIB back when it was at 1,500 Satoshi units when we first started talking about it. Till this day, still bullish and holding strong, increasing my position, dollar cost averaging in, doing all the things we've been talking about since day one. So that's why, you guys, if you haven't already, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Looking forward to the future of this cryptocurrency for both Dogecoin and SHIB, but I truly think that one day Shiba Inu will surpass Dogecoin. Again, just my opinion and never financial advice. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody, and until next time then, keep investing. Peace.